What's up, YouTuber? Welcome back. Today we're gonna actually be doing a tutorial how to put some new headlights and parking lights in a 97 Ford F-150. So it should be pretty simple. Only thing we gotta do is pull the two tabs and the whole headlight should come out, right?
Yeah, it should. It's supposed to. No, okay. Get on, hook the headlight. Pull the plug off.
No, come on off. You're supposed to pull it back. Or, whoops, you broke it.
That's
now.
right. It was there.
Alright, well, that's that. We got the first headlight out. Now we gotta take that screw out right here for the parking light. And then that will be ready for the new ones. So while he's getting that one, the tool for it, I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one out here. There we go. Have it. That one's out. Now we do the same thing on this side. You want to unclip it. There we go. And there you have it, the old one. Well, he actually ordered some other parts that are actually on its way, but we're gonna end up doing the tail lights eventually as well, and eventually we're gonna probably do the front grill, replace that, and do some other things. But once you get that bolt out there, it should slide right out as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side here. There we go. That. There we go.
You turn and twist that down. Should twist out, then it should pop out.
Alright, so we got it off. Gave us a little fight. So that's the new one. From this to that. Big difference.
Yeah, what y'all think about that?
Gonna plug it back in. That. And it should go back in there. Just like that.
All right.
Got that.
All right. Now you gotta make sure these locks in.
Make sure the turn signals work before we actually put the headlights in. It's good. Yep, they're both working. Alright, so we'll get in one of these boxes here and get the headlight. So there's the new headlight
Yeah, that is the driver one.
versus the old one in here. Big difference. Alright, so we're gonna plug the light back in. Not big.
I don't know that it did. I think it did.
But now we're gonna peel off the plastic there, and that's our final product there. Say that looks pretty good.
I think that was going to give it a little bit brighter headlight. Now we just got to finish up the passenger side.
So on the passenger side, we want to hook up the light again. There we go. And line it back up with the holes.
Not yet. Hey,
Now,
okay.
what was that? I heard something fall. We're gonna check the lights, make sure that works. Yep, they're working. So we're gonna wrap up this video, I guess, for now. But these are the old taillights, and we're gonna be replacing them probably next week. And if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification so you get notified when I upload more videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video.